Alexandra from the Weather Channel, showing you the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy in my backyard in Connecticut. This is going to be my final Hurricane Sandy weather report, but stay tuned for further reports as the weather changes. We still have some cleaning up to do because we tied everything up so we wouldn't make sure that they would blow away. Except now we have to start doing some cleaning up because we know they won't blow away because the wind has died down and it's not raining, definitely not as hard. About 2 hours ago we saw a huge double rainbow in our backyard. It was very, very beautiful. I'm very disappointed for tomorrow because my boss told me I have to go back to school. Except on the bright side, I have a 2-hour delay so I can still sleep in. As you all know probably, tomorrow is Halloween. So I wish everybody happy Halloween. Good night.